Fish. Called it. No, you hold his fin still. Oh, there's one. On the hookup bait. Alright, fishing fam. We are out here at the San Diego Bay today. About to try and get on some spotties. I got some different Kitex. Let me show you guys real quick. I'm gonna try. Also, I have hookup baits. I have these right here. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me get in the sun. I have these little Kitex right here, 3-inch. I'm gonna try these guys out on the underspin, and I have some hookup baits, so gonna try those out. I'd like to catch a spotty on a hookup bait. Everyone says that they're like really good to use. I haven't ever caught a bass on them, so I don't really have too much confidence, but today I'm gonna try and get one on a hookup bait. And then these little Kitex shiners. So yeah, we're gonna be hitting up the little harbor over here, and then maybe go down towards the end of Harbor Island down there. Heard that spot's fire, so that's pretty much it. So you guys stick around, stay tuned. Hopefully we can get on some fish. Alright guys, I know I'm throwing this so much in my videos, you're probably not surprised, but I'm just gonna go with this because it's my confidence bait. Once I catch one or two, then I'll switch over to something else that I don't throw a lot, but for now I'm just gonna go with this. I also have this little green hookup bait tied on. Gonna be tossing that around as well. Hopefully get something on that. But there are so many bait fish, dude. This freaking Kitex looks just like the bait fish. So I just switched up to a bigger size hookup bait. The other one was way too small. It's like for trout fishing. I couldn't cast it very far at all. This one I can at least cast a good ways.
See, I put it like on his back. He did it, huh?
Uh-huh.
Turn the camera.
It's on.
Oh.
Grab his tail.
Alright.
Caught a stingray on a hookup bait. Let's get it. His tail's so small he can't even sting you. No, you hold his fin still. He's not gonna hurt you. His tail's too small to sting you.
It's so slimy.
Actually, I got it. There he goes. Just chilling right there. Switch over to this little small shiner Kitex. Try a little different swim bait. Haven't got no bites so far, only that stingray on the hookup bait. Got one. As soon as it hit the bottom, he was on. As soon as it hit the bottom, it was on, bro. I just let it sink all the way to the bottom. As soon as I start to reel back up, boom, it was on. Yeah, I was like, I'm gonna let it sink all the way to the bottom since I got so close to the dock. And then, boom. I think we just had to find where it was a little deeper, huh? Got one, boys, finally. Small, but I'll take it after... I'll take it after struggling for about an hour. See you later, buddy. That's a fish. Fish. Called it. On the sink. On the sink. A little bit better one. Same spot on the sink. A little bit. Choked it. On the sink. No. As soon as I like put pressure, it was just on. Oh, it's gonna fuck up my kites. Well, sorry about that, buddy. Didn't mean to hurt you. If I could get in between that pylon and that little gray round thing, there's a fish right there. Oh, damn it. If the wind wasn't blowing, I would have made it. The wind blew my line though. Got it. Oh, that's a fish. Oh, on the fall. Told you. On the fall. What'd I tell you? Called that like a mother. I said if I get in between there and there, that's a fish. Yeah, I got it. I'm recording. I said if I get in between that ow. Okay then, there you go, buddy. I said if I get in between that gray thing and that pylon, that's a fish. And he hit it on the fall. I wasn't even reeling, you saw that, right? I wasn't even reeling and my line started going out. Talk about calling it. There's a school of bait fish right there too, see him? What is this fish? Alright guys, we're here at Fisherman's Landing. We made moves. Cardi B money moves. And one of my buddy of mine, told me that you can catch a lot of fish here. So we're gonna see if we can make something happen. This looks like halibut fucking territory, huh? All this sand. How's it going?
Oh, a bird was just chomping on that thing, dude.
Really? What is that? Oh, a fish?
A fish?
Oh, there's a stingray right there. You work on one of the boats?
Sometimes.
Are you allowed to like fish around like here or what? Cause we've never been.
I think you can walk down that dock and get like on the bridge on this kind of part, you know?
Oh, can you?
No.
No one's gonna kick you out or anything?
I think maybe if you go down with the actual boats on maybe.
Okay, yeah, cause a buddy of mine told me the fishing was pretty good over here, so that's why we just came over this way. I know. Just got bit right there. I had a little thump on the hookup.
That's why I just come over there. I just want to say hi.
I caught I had a bite on the hookup bait over there. It just went tum tum. I didn't get it though.
Look at that spot I just got. See it?
Oh, got him. That was dope. That was dope. He said, look at that spot I just got. Then boom. And he's out fishing us now. He said, that's a nice one.
You see the wet spot on the dock? Yeah. That I landed sliding down that thing.
Okay.
And I was all, look at that spot.
My internet's going to come out on the top of the wall.
Oh, yeah. Oh, on. On the hookup bait. I thought I was stuck on your line. Let's go. First one on the hookup bait.
There's how to pick up on that.
Let's get it. Hell yeah. First one, yep. I just told him there has to be more over there. I thought I was stuck on your line or something. First fish on the hookup bait. Let's get it. That was my whole goal for today. Maybe. Dang, he's got a crab in his throat. He has a crab in his throat.
Can you get it out?
Look.
Is it like pinching and stuff?
It looks like digested. See it?
Oh yeah, there's no getting it out.
See you later, buddy. Oh, it just came out. I wouldn't want to get it out. That's his food.
Ew, could you imagine? He said it was good, but I was just
Oh, there's one. On the hookup bait.
I sat there.
Andy, on the hookup bait. Let's go. They want it on the bottom. Let's go.
I'm not fishing the bottom, that's why that's what you guys need to do.
Let's go. Number 2 on the hookup bait. All I felt was
I saw your rod. Your rod just started getting attacked.
small one, but fuck it, man. A fish is a fish. I'll take it. Alright, fishing fam. That is going to do it for today. My camera battery's about to die, but it was a great day overall. A little bit of a struggle. We've been fishing for about 6 hours now, so it's been a struggle. But we did manage to get a few fish, and I caught my first bay bass on a hookup bait. So that was the goal for today. If you guys enjoy these bait videos, again, smash that thumbs up, drop a comment, give me some tips on how to catch more fish in saltwater, because I'm new to this. I'm still trying to get out here and get it done. So yeah, just drop a comment and let me know. And that's gonna be it. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and peace.